Hello guys, welcome back. Today we have a hard problem that is find maximum sum of no values. Okay, the statement is they give you a directed tree. Yeah, a tree means it have uh, a tree of n node contain n minus one s and it's kinetic. Yeah, that means it's no don't have any cycle or add load. Okay, well, it's giving you an edge list. So and the nums array that contain n elements that represent the value of the node. Okay, so like we have the num here, c1, 2, 1. That means the zero nodes is have contain the value 1. This 1 is 2, and this 2 is 1. Um, and Alice wants the sum of values of three nodes to be maximum, for which Alice can perform the following operations and a number of times, including zero. Okay, um, that is to choose edge connecting the nodes U and V and update their values as follows. That means we choose an edge inside the list and show and do the show operator to show both two nodes. Let's take example one. Uh, Listing performance, the operation on the node 0 and 2. So 0 and 2 after 0 is 1 and 2 is 1. So after the short to key equal to 3, so it become 2. Yes, become both 2. So the news array is 2, 2, 2. So the sum is 7 and it's the maximum. Uh, for example, 3 is on 7. So as we know that after 7 saw 3 is less than 7, right? Let me check. So 7 saw 3 um, is like 4. It's less than the 7, so we don't need to do the saw operator here and maintain the maximum sum with no operations. Okay, let's take a look. Let me draw some random tree. Random tree. Oh, random tree like this. For example, and you can do the show operator on the two nodes. Like this, you can choose this node and this node and do the show operator. As we know that the show operator like A, show E, gonna become C. But if C saw like E, then it's gonna become A again, right? So that is A saw E saw E. This is 0 and total become A. And as we know that, so if we do the short on another S like this and this, it's gonna become uh, original, and this chain and this chain. And if we keep doing this, we do the short operator on this node and this node, then this node gonna become original, no chance, no chains, and this node become head chained. Okay, so can you see the rule here? That is, you can do the short operator on any two nodes. A battery, any two nodes, anywhere. Like you can, for example, you want to make this node become short or farther. This node and this node short k, short k. So you can do it like this. Choose this F first, then choose this F, then choose this X. So it's gonna be zero. It's gonna be zero. I mean, after the short, it become the same as before. And this short k and this short k. Again, you can choose any two nodes to short it, but you can choose any odd nodes. It must be even. For example, if you want, for example, you want to change this node, um, only this node you don't have a way to do it because when you do a operator, at least two nodes it has been short because having short because the nature of the short operator. For example, you want to choose this a node that already short like this. With this, it's gonna become after the some operation. This node gonna become short k, and this node gonna become short zero. Yeah, so it become original, but actually the the previous node like this is still the same. So by on the ways on means there's an even even numbers of the nodes that has been short. Okay, so so now the problem is not about the graph. It's not graph anymore. The graph just a tool for you to figure out the natures the the, the, the nature that we can choose any two nodes and do the short on this. That. So the problem now is that you have an array, right? You have an array that is the value on each node. You can choose any two number. I mean, you can choose 0, 2, 4, or 6, 6 to make it become the short, become the short key, right? Short key, yeah. Mm, and if it's not so okay, so you need to find the maximum between short or not short the original value. But remember, if that number is like odd, for example, you have five. Okay, let's code the percentage first. So nums like if h is like greater than h short k. So actually you need to choose x because the sum if the value element is bigger is larger, so the sum will become larger plus h else sum plus x of k. Hmm? It's okay. Okay. You need to store the number. Have to store counts and store plus one. Okay, if the count short is like an even number, so we keep the sum, right? But what if is odd, like we have five or seven or one nodes, for example, like this, two, one. If you only one option that after the short is bigger, then you have two ways. The first way to remove uh, an element from the short list. Mhm. The second way is to add one more short and taking from have to way to make the even set sort to an odd to become even. Okay. First, let's remove one. Right, do simple h comes f h. Okay. That is larger and this is smaller. Let's see. We select so this is so we can remove this by create an answers mean mass axis, and we remove an element, so that must be sum minus x of k plus x plus the original value. Yes, that is to remove an element, and another option is to add as this condition true. That means we choose h, we choose the original values, and now we remove this now minus h plus s of k, so that the solution try we try on possible way. Okay. Okay, actually this is not a graph problem anymore. It's about a list, an array, and like arithmetic, mathematics. Okay, so the main idea here is to figure out that you only have to choose the an even numbers, not too short, and if that is even, if that's even, if that's it, no, I'm sorry, the number even. If that number is even, so that's the result. But if not, the number is odd, you must remove one out or add one more. Okay, goodbye.